Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I hope that you guys are doing well and that you are enjoying this crypto growth that we've been seeing lately. We were very busy previous weeks and haven't been posting a lot, but there is a reason for that. Based on market structure in the first 6 months of this year, we are focusing the most on new projects, airdrops, ICOs and hidden gems. And we will suggest you to do the same. That's why in this video I'm going to share one airdrop that I believe might make you more than $3,000 alone. It can cost you $3 to $5 to participate and you need 5 minutes to set up the wallet and 2 minutes to do the daily tasks. So watch this video until the end and find out what is it about. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. The airdrop I'm talking about is the Bitget wallet airdrop. Bitget wallet is airdropping 50 million BWB tokens, which is 5% of the total supply, to early supporters and participants in this airdrop. So, what is actually a Bitget wallet? You probably heard of Bitget exchange because of their strong marketing, collaboration with Lionel Messi and other things. They created a foundation to create a decentralized Web3 Bitget wallet ecosystem. They've been building it for 5 years. It was first named Bitkeep and then emerged into Bitget wallet. They have more than 19 million users worldwide and swapping volume bigger than 8 billion. The ecosystem is not just for keeping cryptocurrency, but also allows you to do multi-chain swaps, bridge, use the NFT market, and it will also be a launchpad. Now, they decided to launch their token, BWB, as the foundational asset of the decentralized Bitget wallet ecosystem. We're very early in this airdrop campaign, which will last until April 28. After that date, they plan TGE, where our BWB points will be converted into BWB tokens, and then we can expect these tokens to be traded on multiple exchanges. Here are the steps on how to be eligible and earn points. First thing you need to do is to download the Bitget wallet for Android or iOS, depending on which mobile device you're using. You can get 20 additional bonus points if you use the link that you can find in the description of this video or in our blog post. It is also important for this airdrop to use your phone, because you will not get the points if you sign up using the desktop and Google Chrome. Once you click the link, it will lead you to the Bitget wallet website. You will have the option to open in the app and download the app for your iOS or Android device. Once you download, you will have two options: to create new wallet or to import an existing wallet. Metamask, Trust Wallet or any wallet that you are already using. This is a little tough question what to do. We decided to import one wallet that we are using just for airdrops, where we keep no more than 1 Ethereum. At this moment, we are doing more than 20 different premium active airdrops like ZK Sync, Linea, Layer 0, Scroll, Base, Zora, SyncSwap, which we talk more about on our VIP Telegram channel. Anyway, whatever you decide to do, you will get 50 initial points if you create a new wallet, or up to 1000 points if you import your Metamask wallet that you have been using before based on your on-chain activity. For example, we got 300 initial points. Once you create wallet, you will need to set up a password like for any other wallet. Once you do that, click on BWB button from the homepage. Click on Claim Airdrop, sign the message, and paste your inviting code from the description of this video to earn 20 bonus points. Then click Next, confirm that you are not from the USA, and then claim your bonus points. Basically, you will get up to 20 points if you hold some crypto in your wallet. You can find a list on their website to see which cryptocurrency is giving you how many points. And also, you can get up to 100 points a day if you are active in swapping. If you make $1,000 volume in swapping per day, you will get 100 points per day. So here's our strategy on how to make as many points as possible in the most economic way. If you have at least $500 in your wallet, you can use blockchains that are very cheap for fees like BNB or Polygon and just do 2 swaps per day. For example, you can swap $500 worth of BNB to USDT and back USDT to BNB. Bitget wallet will always find you the cheapest DEX exchange at the moment, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch or others. It literally costs you $0.1 per swap. For 30 days, if you do 60 swaps, it might cost you $6 or cheaper if you use Polygon blockchain and swap Matic for USDC and back. If you don't have $500 in your wallet, you can just do a few more swaps to make $1,000 volume per day. We are at the moment swapping Ethereum to USDC and back on zkSync, Linea and Base network to build volume and number of transactions of these networks to become eligible for their airdrops too. So now you might wonder if it is worth it to do these swaps. We did some math and here's what we found out. The first thing is that whenever you have a little money to be spent on any of the airdrops, 95% of people will give up right away, which is a good thing for us because it puts us in the top 5% of the people who will get the most airdrops. We consider this airdrop a great opportunity and encourage our members to do swaps because with just 2 minutes a day and a few dollars at all spent, you can earn over 3,000 points in these 30 days. Maybe you're watching this video later and you have just 10 or 20 more days, but it is still a good opportunity. 3,000 points will be converted into 3,000 BWB tokens. With a 1 billion total supply, just this project alone can easily earn you more than $3,000 in profits if the price of one token goes to $1. Based on Bitget wallet collaborations, marketing, and the effort they put in, we believe that it can do much better. As always, this is just our opinion and we wanted to share it with you. It doesn't mean that we are right, we are just sharing the things that we are doing and you should always do your own research and decide if you are going to participate or not. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and I will see you in some of the next ones.